Ever pondered how climate change could be a transformative force for our workforce? It's not just about rising temperatures, but rather a seismic shift that could redefine how we work. As we grapple with soaring heat and shifting weather patterns, traditional jobs, especially in industries like agriculture, energy, and construction, are facing unprecedented challenges. But it's not all gloom and doom. There are surprising sectors that might see growth in the face of climate change. The workforce is not just adapting to climate change, it's evolving. Climate change isn't just altering jobs, it's changing the skills we need. As we grapple with the realities of our changing planet, an unprecedented surge in climate-related careers is taking place. These roles, from climate consultants to sustainable architects, are pushing the boundaries of traditional job descriptions. But it's not just about new jobs. It's also about a shift in education and training demands. Schools, universities, and workplaces are racing to equip people with the knowledge and tools they need to tackle this global challenge. The skills of the future are going green. In the face of climate change, there lies an opportunity for green-collar jobs. Sectors such as renewable energy and eco-friendly construction are experiencing a surge, driven by the growing need for sustainable solutions. These industries are not just about saving the planet, they are about creating jobs and stimulating economies. Solar panel installers, wind turbine technicians, green builders, these are the vocations of a sustainable future. This push for sustainability is creating new and rewarding opportunities across the globe. Remember, green is the new gold in the job market. As the climate changes, so must our economies. Countries around the globe are stepping up, adapting to these environmental disruptions. They're building resilience, not just in their infrastructure, but in their workforce too. It's about creating jobs that contribute to environmental sustainability. Think of climate consultants, sustainability officers, renewable energy engineers. It's about transitioning to an economy where green is the new gold. And in this process, we're not just surviving, we're thriving, creating a future that's sustainable and prosperous. Adaptability and sustainability are the new job market virtues. Our journey into the future of work amidst climate change draws to a close. We've seen how rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns are redefining traditional jobs, pushing the agricultural and energy sectors to adapt. We've discovered the growth of green-collar jobs and the increasing demand for climate-related skills. In a future reshaped by climate change, being green isn't just virtuous, it's necessary.